Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with administrative access and a saved session because disabling a GPU can affect display. Open Device Manager now. Once it appears, expand display adapters and identify the Nvidia entry by name. Make sure you're on the primary display or have a secondary monitor ready. If Windows warns about driver removal, note that we are disabling, not uninstalling. Once done, right-click the Nvidia adapter to reveal disabling options and prepare to proceed carefully. This is the first actionable step toward turning it off. You will disable the card via the context menu, choose Disable Device and confirm prompts. This stops Windows from loading its driver. If you rely on integrated graphics, the system should switch. Make sure the monitor stays active. If the display goes blank, wait 30 seconds and press Ctrl+Alt+Del to trigger recovery options. Once the device shows a disabled icon in Device Manager, verify resolution and refresh rate are correct. Make sure to reboot if prompted so changes persist across sessions. You finish by rebooting so Windows fully applies the disabled state. Test the apps you needed to change. If you prefer a permanent hardware-level disable, enter BIOS or UEFI and set the primary graphics to integrated, but only if you understand firmware risks. If something goes wrong, use the motherboard video port or boot into safe mode to re-enable the Nvidia device. One key troubleshooting tip: if there is no display after disabling, immediately switch to the onboard output before forcing power off to avoid driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.